Okay, so boys, you told me that I should pick the checkout that only has one person, right? But let's take a look at the checkout. In the lane with one person, how many items are in their cart? So there's 17 items in their cart. What about the other lanes? What are in the other lanes? What about the third lane? How many people are in that one? And how many items are in their cart? 9. And what's about the other cart? So what do you think we might need to do just to make sure to see if our answer is right? What do you think? What should we do with those lanes? What do you think we might want to figure out? Oh, so and why do you think finding out who has the most amount of items and the least amount of items, why would that help me pick a lane? Okay, so what lane will help me go fast? Someone with the most amount of items or someone with the least amount? And why? So the least amount's going to go fast because the cashier has less items for them to ring in? Okay. So do you think you want to check the other lanes now just to make sure that maybe that second lane isn't the fastest lane? So let's maybe, you made a good guess. So let's see. Let's check. So let's check which lane has the most, least, or is the greatest amount. So then we can figure out, okay? Okay. So you guys have figured out the different lanes, how many items. So in the first lane, how many items? 18. In the second lane, how many items are there?
17.
And in the third lane?
17.
Okay, so if I'm picking a lane, what lane am I going to pick?
Number 2 or number 3?
Now, which one would you pick? Would you pick number 2 or would you pick number 3?
Number 3.
Why would you pick number 3?
Because number 3 only has... Actually, number 2, because it only has one card.
So you're going to pick number 2 because there's only one card, even though number 3 and number 2 have the same amount of items? Because why do you think number 3 is going to take longer? Even though both lanes have people with 17 items, number 3 has 2 carts. Why do you think that might take longer than the one person with 17 items in their cart?
Those 2 cards have to like swipe and all do their stuff and all it in, and I bet both of them are going to be full.
So both of them could take longer. I like your thinking, buddy. I think I'm going to pick the second lane too. Okay, so you figured out how many items in the lanes. Now, what lane should I pick?
You should put only one of these 2 worlds. As you went through here, there'd be you have to sell 18, and then 18 is greater than 7, 7 is lower. So you go 1 or 2.
Okay, now so you said I could pick one of these. Which one would you pick and why?
I would pick like this one because that one only takes 1 cart.
Okay.
And even is 17, and you're supposed to be, and that one has 18.
Okay.
So, and that one has 2 carts you have to pull.
So what's the problem with 2 carts?
2 carts? It'll take more longer because you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, and 6, 7, 8. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it'll take a while. So I took 17.
Okay, so the 2 people will take longer than the one person with 17? Okay.